Earlier in September, AILA and advocates were heartened by a federal district court decision in a case involving the government's use of a public health law known as Title 42 to expel families with children under 18. The court found that the use of Title 42, at least in this manner, to expel individuals who are seeking asylum is likely illegal, and that the evidence presented by the plaintiffs showed that they face real threats of violence and persecution upon expulsion. It ordered the administration to refrain from expelling families with children. AILA called on the administration to accept the court's decision and not appeal, and has consistently called for this administration to end Title 42 altogether. Unfortunately, the administration did file an appeal, and last night, a DC Circuit Court ruled that the original order prohibiting them from expelling children, families with children, would be stayed, meaning that the administration is free to continue expelling these families. Much like the images that we've seen over the last few weeks of expulsion flights to Haiti carrying families with young children. A next hearing is not set on this case until January 22. In addition to developments around Title 42, AILA is also closely following the re-implementation of the so-called Migrant Protection Protocols program, or Remain in Mexico. The administration has been ordered to comply with a federal court injunction to resume MPP processing. In a statement released earlier this week, we did learn that the Department of Homeland Security is intending to issue a new termination memo. AILA welcomes this step and was heartened to hear it. However, we also learned that they are taking internal steps to resume the implementation of MPP. AILA will continue to closely monitor developments in MPP and the Title 42 litigation, and we will continue to advocate with this administration that they must pivot away from the use of such policies and instead embrace a more welcoming and humane approach to the southern border.